In today's video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. You will definitely find them interesting. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to take you to this course right here, where you literally learn everything I do every single day to make money in passive income with CPA marketing. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. So I'm going to show you a very powerful website that you can use today to make money on autopilot with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. As you can see right on the screen, majority of the traffic that goes to this website is from the United States and United Kingdom. And as you can see right here, over 40% of the traffic comes from the United States alone. And you can see this arrow pointing upward right here. As you can see the same for United Kingdom as well. You can see these arrows are pointing upward, which means more people from these two countries are visiting this website on a daily basis. So I am going to show you how to leverage this free traffic source to make money with CPA offers or affiliate products. All right, as you can see right here, you can use CPA Grip to make money with this platform. So I'm going to refresh this page right here. So as you can see right here, this page remains the same. So you can see right here. So all you just need to do is create an account with CPA Grip if you don't have an account already, or you can also use CPA Lead if you want, but there are many CPA network that you can use. But the first thing you want to keep in mind when you want to promote a CPA offer, you want to make sure you come over to the category section, and I recommend, if you are a beginner, to filter the search results or these categories to email/zip submit, because this is the easiest offers to make money when you're promoting CPA offers, especially if you are a beginner. And as you can see, most of these offers are going to pay over $1 for just a single email submit. So basically all you need to do is get people to sign up for these offers and you make money in passive income. And also, like I said, you can use this method to promote affiliate product as well. You can use the like of Digistore24, and you can also use the likes of ClickBank as well, JVZoo. There are many affiliate network out there that you can use with this method. So once you're logged into your Digistore24 account, so the first thing you want to do is to pick a niche, and there are multiple niches that you can work with, like business and investment, health and fitness, nutrition, email marketing, internet marketing, e-business, social media marketing, and software. So basically the method is not limited to the niches that I mentioned. You can use other niches as well, as you can see right here. Okay, so what you want to do from here, when you are in Digistore24, all you need to do is to select a product from any of these categories right here on the left hand side of the screen. Okay, so I am going to click on business and investments. All right, so once I click on this, I'm going to see a lot of offers that is available on Digistore24. And also, before you promote any offer, I recommend that you make sure that the offer has at least 3 stars. Okay, as you can see right here, this one has over 3 stars already, which means a lot of affiliates are making money with this product. And you can see the product goes for over $400, which means you are going to get this $400. As you can see, this is another product right here, over $500, which means you are going to get this money right here. So basically all you need to do is make a sale, and you are going to get a cut from each sale that you make to this product. All right, so once you've chosen a product or you've chosen a CPA offer, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to Google and you want to type in something related to whatever niche you pick. So basically I'm going to take an example. I'm going to take as an example right here, success motivational stories. All right, so once you click on that, or whatever niche you have, so maybe if you're in the weight loss, you can basically type in weight loss. All right, so you can type in weight loss motivational stories. So once you type that, you want to make sure you look at the top articles in the search results. So what you want to do is click on any of the articles on the top search results, and you want to basically copy this article right here. All right, so once you have this article copied, All right, you want to go over to another website called paraphraser.io because you don't want to get into copyright issues with the owner of this website. So what you want to do is you want to paste the article right here, and also keep in mind that this is a software, so it's capable of making mistakes. So what you want to do from here is you want to click on I am not a robot, and once that is done, you want to click on paraphrase now. You have to wait a moment for it to finish. All right, so as you can see right here, it's completely done. So what you want to do from here, you want to go through the articles and you want to read the article again and make sure that it's free of errors. So once you've done that, then you want to head over to the website. This website right here, vocal.media, is a free website where people come over to post stories, and a lot of people, like I showed you right here, from the United States and United Kingdom come over to this website to read stories. All right, so what you want to do from here is a free website. All you need to do is create an account. Once you have created your account, you are going to come over to this section that says create story. So once you come over to this section, all you need to do, like I said, you want to grab the title of this articles and you want to paste it right there. So basically, if I take this one right here as an example, all right, so all I just need to do is paste it right here. Okay, you can reward this, like I said, and once you're done with that, you want to come over to this writing section, and then you want to paste in the article right here, the article you made, you paraphrased on this website right here, paraphraser.io. So once you have that done, all right, so you want to come over to a part of the article, all right, and you want to type in something simple like this, depending on whatever niche you're working with, something like how I lost weight in 30 days. Click here, and then you want to click on this link section right here. So this is where you are going to paste the link to either a CPA offer, or you want to paste a link to an affiliate product. All right, so basically once you have your link posted here, all you just need to do is click on OK. I'm just taking this as an example right here, and then once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save changes. Boom, that is all you need to do. As you can see right here, you are going to start getting a lot of traffic from United States and United Kingdom to your CPA offer or to your affiliate product. So literally you are going to repeat the same process for other niches that you find on Digistore24, and I promise if you keep at it, if you are consistent, you are going to start getting sales right away. All right, and if you decide to promote CPA offers, you are also going to start getting clicks and leads to your CPA account. All right, so like I said, you want to make sure you go for zip or email submit offers because they are usually very easy to convert. All the visitor needs to do is to submit their email, and boom, you get a lead. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on this video, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.